Welcome back. This week I have another painting for you. I wanted to paint a morning scene that looked a little bit misty and like the sun was rising, and I wanted to put a monster in it. So that's what this painting is. I started in black and white as usual and added color to it, and once I got to the point of having the landscape looking like it was done, then I started drawing the monster. And I took input from my chat on Twitch on what I should add in. Their suggestion was a spiral-horned, lanky demon. So that's what I put in there. If you like these time-lapse videos, give me a like, maybe a subscribe. It's free and helps out my YouTube a lot, so I would appreciate it. And if you want to join me live on Twitch and make suggestions for my paintings or just ask me questions, you can join me at twitch.tv/2wheelsandcoffee. I usually stream on Fridays and Saturdays, or whenever I have ideas. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Enjoy the rest of the time lapse.